Hi, my name is Lauren Ellerman, and I'm an attorney here at Frith & Ellerman in Roanoke, Virginia. You're receiving this email and this video for one really sad reason, and that is that you contacted our office during the last 2 years and inquired about a nursing home abuse and neglect case, and we were not able to assist you. Now, the last 2 years have been remarkable because of the COVID epidemic. Many of the cases we declined were because of an executive order originally introduced by Governor Ralph Northam that said individuals, family members, and the injured could not hold nursing homes accountable during the COVID epidemic if the bad care their loved one received was at all related to COVID. So we declined hundreds and hundreds of cases because of that executive order. We also declined a number of cases because of other circumstances involving the facts of the case. Perhaps the underlying health conditions of the injured, perhaps Medicare or Medicaid liens that would take all the recovery from the case. But each and every time someone called us, we heard in their voice an urgency to do something to change the way that long-term care is provided in Virginia. Very few of the people who call us do it for monetary gain. Most of the people who call us do it because they want accountability. They want answers. They want better care in the nursing home for their loved ones in the future. And so that's why you're receiving this video. In February, the General Assembly will reconvene in Richmond. That means state lawmakers from all over the Commonwealth are driving to Richmond to change the laws, to look at the laws that are already there and make them better. And this year, there is a particular law that could benefit the care that all patients in Virginia nursing homes receive. And that bill is called, forgive me, I'm looking at my second screen, House Bill 646. That was introduced in 2022, but didn't make it out of committee, and in fact was pushed over until the 2023 session. And House Bill 646, sponsored by a delegate named Betsy Carr, would actually require minimum staffing in Virginia nursing homes to the extent of 1.3 hours a day of LPN care, 45 minutes 45 minutes a day of RN care, and then 4 hours a day of nurse aide plus RN plus LPN. So it actually requires minimum staffing, which means if you're going to have 30 patients, you need this number of nurses to be there. Currently, Virginia has no staffing requirements. We are one of, I think, 10 states that doesn't have staffing requirements. And many of you, when you come to me and ask, how do I make things better for the patients that are still there? I've said, well, it's a political solution. And that seems big and that seems hard. But what I encourage you to do this Christmas or January, in honor of your loved one who suffered in the nursing home, in honor of the fact that we could not file a claim or a complaint with the Virginia Department of Licensure, we could not effectuate change because of your individual situation, doesn't mean we can't help people in the future. So here's the ask. Number one, email your member of the General Assembly. Figure out who that person is. Number two, encourage them to support House Bill 646 and its companion Senate bill. Yes, you can also email members of the Senate. There will be a Senate companion bill, and you just ask them to support the companion bill of House Bill 646. In this email is the language you can cut and paste and send to your member of the General Assembly, as well as a link on how to contact them. So that's what you can do in the new year to protect Virginia nursing home patients, to protect future families, and in honor of your loved one. We wish you all the best this holiday season, and thank you for watching.